them shorts.
Oh my God.
Are you recording?
Nope.
Oh, that would have been good.
Yeah?
Yeah, go with it. Let's go.
All right, you ready?
Yep. Go. What's up, everybody? Look, I know we ain't been on here lately. We've been having a bunch of stuff going on at the carport. Let's take a walk through, show y'all what's been going on. Check it out. Truck. Done. Good truck. Shop truck. Been done. Bikes. Been done. Except for this one. We did do some repaint on this one. Grandpa's hand-me-down. I don't know if y'all seen it in a while. Got these new. Done. Larry's truck. 90 OBS. Y'all seen a few videos. Does it look done? It's not. But look, the back, awesomeness. Nothing but awesomeness. Carport custom plate, battery mount, upgraded to airlift. Almost done. Alignment, bed put on, slosh tubs, put it together, shoot a feature. Larry can come get his truck. Come check this out. So, we sponsor a show called Altered Egos up in Acadia, Louisiana at the Bonnie and Clyde campground. Awesome show. Y'all should go check it out. End of this month, into October. So, we're top tier sponsor for them. We give away our Builder's Choice Trophy, which is a bi-air compressor mount. And I wanted to do a little bit more this year, so I decided to do the best paint trophy. So, we'll check back here. This is not your typical Morgan building, okay? This is my bake booth. So, there's a bunch of stuff in here that's G14 classified, so only focus on what I'm gonna show you. Don't worry about the background, okay? That's all in the bake booth. Yeah, those are hand painted in the bake booth. So, voila! So I wish we had some sun, but we don't, so y'all can see this thing dance. We're gonna paint this thing with some nice lowrider paint job on this bad boy. And we got a nice little holder for it, a little plackety plaque. It's gonna be pretty nice. Also something to check out. Ooh, yeah, we do custom mailboxes at Carport Customs too. Now the reason we're doing that is we're gonna paint the half of one side. We're gonna paint it on the channel. And then we're gonna send it to our great friend, Adam Paul at Time Warp Customs. Go check out his videos if you guys wanna see any kind of paint tutorials on how to lay this flake, all that good kind of stuff. He's gonna paint the other half on us live. Speaking of lives, if you guys are not on our Facebook and TikTok, from now on, every other Sunday at 7 p.m. we're doing a live broadcast on our Facebook page. You can go to our link tree down at the description and get to our Facebook. Every other Sunday, 7 p.m. Carport Custom Shop Talk. It's just what it sounds like, shop talk. We're gonna be talking shop talk. Let you guys come on, ask questions, comments, all that. We're gonna do it live. We're gonna have awesome guests, so y'all guys go check it out. And of course, as always, if y'all want to help the channel out, we don't sell nothing, we build trucks. All you guys need to do is subscribe and watch our videos, guys. Thank y'all. We'll see y'all in the next one.